Hello, it's English time again. My name is Mary.
My name is Anna. My name is Vladimir. My name is Joanne.
Hello, Joanne. Hello, Anna. Hello, Vladimir. Hello. What's your name? Great. Nice to see you again. Great. What season is it?
It's spring.
It's spring. Let's repeat. Spring, spring, spring. Great. What can you see in spring? I see flowers.
I see
Flowers. Flowers, flowers, flowers. What color are the flowers?
Yellow.
Yellow. Red.
Red.
Pink.
Pink. Purple.
Purple. White. Great. I see
White.
flowers on the trees. Flowers on the trees. Let's repeat. Flowers on the trees. Flowers on the trees. Flowers on the trees. Great. What else can you see? Birds. Birds.
Bird.
I can see birds. Birds. Let's repeat. Birds. 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 Great. Look at the grass. Look at the grass. What color is the grass?
Green.
Green. Green. Green. Green. Great. What color are the flowers?
Yellow.
Great. Yellow flowers. Great. What can you see in spring? Flowers. 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 Bees. 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 Butterflies. 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 Storks.
Stars.
What's the weather like in spring?
It's rainy. Rainy.
Great! It's windy.
It's windy. Windy.
Great! It's sunny.
Sunny.
Let's repeat. Sunny, sunny, sunny. What do you do in spring?
I run in the park. I run in the park. I ride my bike.
I go rollerblading. I go rollerblading.
I ride my scooter. I ride my hoverboard.
Now it's your turn. What season is it? What season is it? It's spring. Very good. It's spring. What can you see in spring? What can you see in spring? Flowers. Flowers and green grass. Green grass. Very good. Flowers on the tree. Flowers on the tree. Great. Butterflies. Butterflies. Bees. Bees. Very good. Storks. Storks. Great! What's the weather like in spring? What's the weather like in spring? It's sunny. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's rainy. It's windy. It's windy. What can you do in spring? I work in the garden. I work in the garden. I run in the park. I run in the park. I go rowing the boat. I go rowing the boat. I go rollerblading. I go rollerblading. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I ride my scooter. I ride my scooter. I ride my hoverboard. I ride my hoverboard. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.